Break 51-16 for the 2020-21 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Thursday, July 8th, 2021. It's 12:07 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Wednesday, July 7th. It's 11:07 p.m. Central Time and 9:07 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have John Head, 2 spots. Aaron Fab, 2 spots. Will, 4. Joe's 22. Good luck to all of you. Seven times once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Joe's on top and bottom. Joe's with the Atlanta Hawks, Celtics, Nets, Hornets, Bulls, Cavaliers. Will, Mavericks. Joe's Nuggets, Pistons. Will, Warriors. Joe's Rockets. Aaron Fab, Pacers, Clippers. Joe's Lakers, Grizzlies, Heat. Will with the Bucks. Joe's Timberwolves, Pelicans. Will, Knicks. Joe's Thunder, Magic, 76ers, Suns, Trailblazers, Kings, Spurs. John Head, Raptors, Jazz. Joe's with Washington. Empty, and we have a Dominique Wilkins Georgia Bulldogs auto. Very cool. So we have the Georgia Bulldogs, Dominique Wilkins. So this will go to be played for the longest. ATL, Atlanta Hawks. That's going to Joe's. Congrats. 51-16 for the 2020-21 Hit Parade Basketball Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.